July 14th, 2008, dear. At 7 p.m.
Oh, wow.
So how old was I? Oh my goodness, I was like 22.
I was still in high school.
No!
How do you open this?
How do you open this?
It's old.
It's old. She says it's old. Yeah, have you watched all my videos?
I've seen most of them.
So that's a no. So you haven't. Oh.
I think I've seen most of the ones that you've posted.
Oh. AOL Instant Messenger. Look, my screen name is still saved there. Electron Blue. Hit my videos. You want to watch it together?
Yeah, we can watch it.
Here goes.
I had an epiphany yesterday. I've been talking about relationships a lot with a bunch of my friends lately.
Oh, of
and what I
course
came
it's going
to
to be a
realize
relationship video.
was that
Wait, I wanna
guys
listen
need to
to
do
it.
the chasing. And girls can just lounge around and be lazy and, you know, do whatever.
Aww.
Guys will always complain
Wait, sorry.
that the girl is hard to get.
Look at this is the same exact room. We had just changed this layout,
Yeah.
right? It's like the bookshelf is like right there.
Or why is she so hard to get? Why is she playing hard to get? Why can't she just call me?
Wait, how old were you in this?
Well, let's see. I think I posted my first video in 2008. So, wait, actually, it probably tells you. Why don't you minimize this real fast and find out? July 14th, 2008, dear. At 7 p.m. So how old was I? Oh my goodness, I was like 22.
I was still in high school.
No!
Why won't she just answer her phone? Where is she? What is she doing? Why do I fail? Fail! Fail! But yes, the fact of the matter is that girls have to play hard to get. And I'll tell you why. 3 reasons. Number 1, I'm being totally serious. Because animals do it. Seriously.
I don't know if I want to watch this.
Watching like Discovery
Wait,
Channel,
watching it.
you see those like big horned like elk, and those birds with the
Oh my
plumage, like the peacocks with their tails, and those rhinos with their horns. And what are some other examples? Fish, even with
Fish?
their colors and their flashing lights and
Flashing
stuff. You know,
lights?
those electric ones that are like in seawater.
That's so strange because right as soon as I said that, I was thinking in my head, and then I did it. I guess I'm still the same.
Others? Okay, maybe that was a bad example. But the fact is, whether you're an elk or a fish or some type of bird or just some dude sitting out there, the fact is just, you know, you gotta do the chasing. All the animals do it. I mean, just take like elk or deer or anything with horns as an example. Whenever they catch the scent of a female and they catch the scent of another male, it's like Royal Rumble time. The elk, you know, they're like,
Oh my
where's he
goodness!
at? Where's he at?
Where did I get
That's
that
seriously
from?
what the horns are for. You know, they
owned a gun
battle
at that
each other
age?
No, I think
over
it's a BB gun.
the female that's just standing there. Are you not entertained? And then the
That's
female,
trigger discipline.
based on the fight, gets to choose. You know, do I want this loser elk that got owned, or do I want this badass one with the no chest thump? That's gorillas. With the horns that, you know, that. And typically, you know, the female chooses the stronger one, the one that won the fight, because the other one has to, like, you know, like walk back home and like clean off its little blood and go back to training and, you know, get ready
This
for
is
next
like
year. You know, the female
so
goes with the
slow.
one that
The
won her.
lights on these
What big horns you have! All the better to mate with you, my dear. I mean, look at Bambi's single-parent family. He got his mom and his like crazy dad that only comes out after the fire destroys, or after his mom dies, actually. That part's really sad, actually. Besides that, you even have birds that do that kind of stuff, except for fighting.
Dr. Sayers, Dr. Sayers,
They just dance.
Sayers, Dr. Sayers, Dr. Sayers.
And throughout this entire process, what do you find the females doing? They're just chilling, you know, hanging out, go team. They're probably not even paying attention sometimes. And this whole time the males are, you know, dancing their hearts out, singing their hearts out, duking it to the death. So see, that's how nature intended it to be. You know, women chill and hang out, and guys just have to chase. It's worth it. So for now, that's just the first reason. There's 2 more coming, but this video is getting longer than I wanted it to be, so I'm just gonna cut it off now.
Longer than I
might
wanted
make
it to
parts
be. It's
2
only
and
3 minutes.
Part 2 is pretty good, but I'll keep you guys in suspense until later. All right, thanks for watching.
Dr. Sayers, Dr. Sayers,
Oh man,
Dr. Sayers,
I
Dr.
cut this
Sayers.
music out if I want to monetize this video.
Dr. Sayers.
So I guess my very first video was part 1 of Why Guys Should Chase Girls. I didn't even know that. I didn't even remember that was my
Wait,
first
how
video.
come you didn't post this video?
Well, I didn't know I had it until somebody commented asking if I had older videos, and then I pulled this out earlier to
Oh,
see
so
what
you did post this
older
video.
videos.
And then also, like, you kind of do sound the same, but, like, right now, you're, like, your voice is a little deeper.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh it is. I'm aged, dear. That's why. What about my hair? Did you like my hair? Just tell them you like me with hair. I think I was thinking about those birds that like feather out their necks. Have you ever seen those? They feather out their necks and they do that hopping thing.
I think so. I think
Bang,
I've
bang,
seen
bang.
it.
And then they're just like, mate with me. My old self. I threw that shirt away too. Nothing rhymes with orange.
Aw.
Do I still have it?
Try to use your
I am
t-shirt.
such a hoarder. How many years later is this?
Like
Dun 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 dun. Here. Oh, it smells old.
I know. It smells like grandma.
Do you feel like I chased you?
Yeah, I think so.
How so?
Um,
How so?
I think
My
I don't
non-existent
think it
beard.
was like super obvious or like aggressive.
Oh,
Like,
not
you
aggressive.
weren't aggressive, but then
Is that a good thing?
I don't know. Like, it's hard to say chase. I think the way you chased me was like when you would come visit me at work, and then you'd bring me food,
Oh,
and I thought that was really nice.
Yes.
A nice gesture.
that's definitely chasing.
Or you would like
Come run after you like this,
you'd come up to me at the gym and be like, "Do you want to work out together?"
and run after you like this. What did I used to bring you to
You
eat?
brought me Yahoo Girl.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Actually, you know what's funny? You bought me Yahoo Girl.
And you were like, "This is so
No,
bland.
no.
This is
You were
so
like-
bland."
I remember you were like, "Yeah, no sauce."
Oh
and then
my
you were
goodness!
like,
Did I really do
It's
that?
so good. I think you were.
It's so good. It's the blandest thing.
No. I think you said like, "This place is so good. I usually get it with no sauce, but if you want sauce, like."
And then
I can
you
get
were
that.
like,
and I was like, "Oh,
"Oh,
okay, like
I'll
yeah,
get no
I'll get
sauce
no sauce then."
to impress
And
him."
then when I ate it, I was like, "Wow, this is
Ooh.
definitely not.
Ooh.
I'm not used to this."
You're trying
That
to
time too.
you're trying to impress me by eating what I eat.
Yeah.
Like, this is good. Who was doing the chasing? Was I doing the chasing or you doing the chasing?
I think you were doing the chasing.
Well, but then you were eating something that you wouldn't otherwise have normally eaten.
But is that considered chasing though?
I mean, I
yeah,
kind
I
of think
guess
so.
so.
It's kind of like you're doing something that you wouldn't normally do to win my heart too.
Yeah.
So this video's wrong. We're talking mutual chasing here because I kind of did a little bit, you kind of did a little bit.
I think in the beginning, I feel like you did the chasing. Like you showed some interest in me, and I felt
But
it.
you also had to respond. Right?
Yeah, but I had to respond.
So how did I attract you?
I think what's attractive about someone is like how hard they work on like themselves.
Yeah, you're like
You
working
know.
to improve
Yeah,
yourself
like improve
as a person,
yourself,
right?
rather than like trying to find someone to kind of fill in that void. I feel like you also work very hard, and so seeing how dedicated you were in your workouts was very inspiring for me because I was like, wow, like I've never seen anyone push themselves to that extent. So when I saw like how hard you're working, I thought that was very inspiring for me to see.
Yeah, and I think that is really good advice, right? To always seek to improve
I
yourself.
think another thing I appreciated about you too was you would encourage me to try something that I had never tried before. You helped me like have confidence that I could do more than 1 or 2 push-ups.
Push-ups, really?
Sorry, not push-ups, pull-ups.
Pull-ups. Oh,
Yeah, because
Really?
before
now you can do like 12. Now you can do like 14.
I think we were like, you can totally do it. Like, you can totally do it. Like,
But
I
you
know
totally
you can do
could.
it. And I didn't believe in myself at that time because
Really?
I was like, I can't do it. Like, I'm trying, but I can't. But then you were like, that's okay. Like, just start over. Like, start again. Like, reset. Start over. That was just something no one's ever done for me before. Like said like I know you can do it, like, you know, like support me and cheer me on like that.
I see. Well, I was completely convinced that you could do it.
Yeah, and like,
like
so
I
you
saw
like
that you could
see,
do
like,
it.
I don't know, because like I don't know how many guys would be like go like to a girl and be like, you can do it, like you can totally do it, you know, like I feel like you're very one of the few people at the gym that like is always like encouraging other people, telling them that they're very strong and encouraging them to do it, or like willing to teach them how to do it.
I mean, they are. You are.
Yeah,
You know?
and I feel like I appreciate that about you a lot. Is that you're very supportive.
Thank you. So, do you want to watch the rest of all the videos? There's a couple more
Yeah.
on here that I actually haven't shown anyone.
Yeah, we can watch it. I'm gonna watch it.
I should upload them too. There's actually part 3. The guy online was asking to see part 3. Oh, actually 1 and 3. So here's 1, and then part 2 is already up, and so there's part 3. But I haven't watched that one yet either. So you can watch that one later.
Okay.
It's probably equally terrible though. So
No, don't say that.
thank you, dear.
You're welcome.